Have you ever glanced at a handful of change and wondered if one of those coins might be worth a fortune? If you have a 1984 D. Lincoln cent, you might just be holding a small but mighty treasure. This is not just a penny. This is a potential future gold mine for collectors, and it's time to take a closer look. The 1984 D. Lincoln cent, minted in Denver, may seem ordinary at first glance, but coin experts and collectors know there's more to the story. Its value isn't just based on its face value, but on its condition, rarity, historical background, and the increasing demand among numismatists. And let me tell you, this little coin is on the rise. The D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint, one of the most prominent minting facilities in the United States. In 1984, over 5 billion pennies were minted, and among them, the 1984 D is a standout. Not because it's ultra-rare today, but because many of these coins have disappeared from circulation, been damaged, or lost their original mint luster. That's what makes a well-preserved 1984 D. Lincoln cent so attractive. So, what makes this coin so potentially valuable? The answer lies in details like die varieties, striking errors, and pristine condition. Some 1984 D. Lincoln cents have known errors, double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks. These errors are incredibly sought after by collectors, sometimes driving prices into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Imagine a 1-cent coin fetching more than $1,000. Yes, it's possible. Let's talk about condition. A regular 1984 D penny found in circulation may fetch only a few cents, but a coin in uncirculated mint state condition, graded MS-65 or higher, can bring in significantly more. A high-grade 1984 D. Lincoln cent has been known to sell for $1,000, $4,000, and in some rare cases, when combined with unique errors, even over $5,000. But here's the best part. Values are not set in stone. The coin market is always evolving, and coins that were worth just a few dollars 10 years ago are now selling for hundreds. With inflation, growing interest in numismatics, and the shrinking supply of older coins, the 1984 D. Lincoln cent's value is only expected to rise. This is a coin with serious long-term investment potential. Collectors and investors alike are starting to recognize the value in common-date pennies, especially when they're kept in high quality. If you have a 1984 D penny that's shiny, scratch-free, and still has that beautiful red copper glow, you could be sitting on a valuable asset. Coins like this are often snapped up quickly by collectors eager to complete their Lincoln cent sets. Even if you don't have a perfect example today, it's not too late. Searching through change, checking old jars, and exploring coin shops can still yield treasures like this. And if you happen to find a 1984 D with a striking error, hold on to it tightly. That coin could easily become a centerpiece in a collector's showcase. Let's not forget the emotional and historical value as well. Each penny carries a piece of American history. In 1984, Ronald Reagan was president, the economy was booming, and pop culture was exploding with energy. A coin from that year connects us to a vibrant past, a tangible piece of nostalgia. Now, let's look into the future. With time, high-grade examples will only become harder to find. Every passing year, more coins are damaged, lost, or corroded. That means your 1984 D penny will become increasingly rare, and rarity drives value. It's not unreasonable to believe that some of these coins could sell for thousands of dollars in auctions 10, 20, or 30 years from now. Some experts believe that high-end examples of the 1984 D. Lincoln cent could eventually fetch up to $10,000 if they feature unique errors or are in exceptionally rare condition. That's an incredible return on a 1-cent piece. Coins with full red color, no spots, no wear, and strong strikes are the most promising candidates for future value explosion. So don't ignore that old penny in your drawer. Instead, take a second look. It might be a diamond in the rough. Send it in for grading, protect it in a coin flip or capsule, and hold on to it like the treasure it is. This coin isn't just worth keeping, it's worth believing in. Share this video with fellow collectors and coin enthusiasts. Who knows? One of you might be holding on to the next record-breaking penny. The 1984 D. Lincoln cent is a true underdog story. 1 cent today, potentially thousands tomorrow. Don't miss your chance to be part of numismatic history. If you enjoyed this insight, hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Your pocket change could be your next payday. Stay curious, keep collecting, and believe in the power of the penny. Next up, the 1990 Lincoln cent, without a mint mark. You just might be. This coin isn't just another penny. It's a powerful collectible with the potential to bring in serious cash. Yes, you heard that right. The 1990 no-mint mark penny is a valuable treasure waiting to be discovered. The story of the 1990 no-mint mark penny begins with a rare and unusual mistake at the U.S. Mint. In 1990, all proof coins were meant to be produced at the San Francisco Mint and stamped with an S mint mark. However, a small number of proof pennies that year were struck without the mint mark due to a die error. This tiny error created one of the rarest and most desirable modern Lincoln cents in history. Collectors quickly recognized the significance of this mistake. The 1990 no-mint mark proof penny wasn't just a regular coin. It was a misprint, a fluke in the minting process that escaped detection and made it into the hands of the public. Because of this, it instantly became a hot item among coin collectors, and its value skyrocketed. What makes this coin so exciting is its rarity. It's estimated that only around 200 of these error coins exist in the world today. Imagine that, only a few hundred people on the planet can ever own one. That extreme rarity is exactly what drives up the value and demand. The current market for this coin is hot. If you're lucky enough to have a 1990 no-mint mark penny in proof condition, you could be sitting on a coin worth anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, depending on its grade. One of these coins even sold for over $7,000 at auction. That's a massive reward for a coin that originally cost just 1 cent. Collectors and investors alike are constantly on the lookout for this penny. Forums, auction houses, and coin markets are full of people eager to get their hands on it. The 1990 no-mint mark penny is not just a coin, it's a dream for serious collectors. The demand is strong, and it's not going anywhere. People around the world are ready to pay top dollar to own one of these elusive coins. This isn't just about money, it's about history. The Lincoln cent has been an American icon since 1909, honoring one of the most respected U.S. presidents, Abraham Lincoln. Over the years, the penny has seen many changes, but few coins in its series have drawn the kind of attention that the 1990 no-mint mark has. This coin stands out in the rich legacy of U.S. coinage. Why was it made? It wasn't intentional. That's what makes it so valuable. In 1990, the U.S. Mint was supposed to include the S mark on all proof pennies made in San Francisco. But due to a minting error, some of the dies used didn't have the S engraved. These error coins slipped past inspection and were packaged into proof sets, which eventually made their way into private collections. Over time, as these coins were discovered, their legendary status grew. Each time one surfaces, it sparks excitement in the numismatic community. It's not just about owning a penny. It's about owning a piece of minting history, a coin that shouldn't exist, yet somehow does. People from all walks of life are hunting for this coin. From casual collectors to professional numismatists, everyone wants a chance to claim one. Coin grading companies like PeaceGS and NGC receive submissions from hopeful owners every year, dreaming that their 1990 penny could be the rare no-mint mark version. And when it turns out to be the real deal, that 1-cent piece instantly transforms into a multi-thousand-dollar asset. If you're lucky enough to have a proof set from 1990, it's time to take a closer look. Check that penny. Is it missing the S mint mark? If so, don't waste another moment. Get it authenticated and graded. You could be holding a 5-figure treasure in your hand. As years go by, the value of this coin is expected to grow. Rarity, demand, and historic significance are all on its side. And with collectors continually seeking to add this gem to their portfolios, the competition only increases. This isn't just a valuable coin today. It's a coin whose value will soar in the future. This is your motivation. Don't underestimate what you have. That penny in your drawer, your coin collection, or an old proof set from a family member could be the key to an unexpected windfall. The 1990 no-mint mark Lincoln cent proves that even the smallest items can carry the greatest worth. So go ahead, check your change, explore your collection, and see if you're the lucky owner of this rare and legendary coin. And if you are, you're not just holding history. You're holding a golden opportunity. Like and share this video with your fellow coin hunters. Subscribe to the channel for more stories of hidden treasures and incredible finds. The next rare coin could be sitting right in your hands. Keep collecting, stay curious, and never stop searching.